The very first thing you'll notice about this immaculate bike is that sleek monocoque frame. Looking like a reverse step-through, the frame is constructed from T700 and T800 carbon fiber, cured under high pressure at around 500 degrees Fahrenheit. Because of this, the bike can carry loads higher than 1,400 pounds, which is about 9 grown men, give or take. As you can see, all components of this machine are designed internally, which adds to that sleek look and keeps them safer from weather and wear and tear. As every rider knows, the handlebars are a subtly important piece of any bike, so you'll be happy to hear that Carbogatto offers some customization in this department. You can choose between aluminum or the same carbon fiber as the frame, and they even have a handful of shapes to choose from. Integrated into the rear wheel is the powerhouse of the H7. This electric direct drive motor pumps out 3 kilowatts of power. It's capable of a peak output of 6.5 kilowatts. It has 4 riding modes to swap between: normal, dynamic, eco, and safety. The advantage to such a motor is that it doesn't wear away, except for the bearings, which only need to be replaced every 93,000 miles. For power, the H7 uses a 48-volt battery capable of around 62 miles per charge. A full charge will take around 5 hours, but the available supercharge mode will get you up to 80% in just 40 minutes. Suppose you're interested in this 103-pound luxury bike. In that case, you're looking at luxury prices that start at around $22,000. But that can rise if you're looking to include the optional things that the company offers. It's not hard to guess why Barcelona-based e-bike manufacturers named their latest creation the Oohbike. The uniquely creative design looks like a cross between a traditional road bike and a futuristic Tron cycle, turning heads with its next-century aesthetic. The hubless front wheel is sleek and confusing at first glance, especially as the inner ring remains stationary while riding. But this hollow space was designed with storage in mind, allowing riders to stash away items for safekeeping. Both wheels are surrounded by solid, unbreakable Tannis tires that remove the hassle of inflating ever again. A grease-free carbon chain system means an end to tucking your pants into your socks before hitting the road. The 250-watt mid-motor is powered by the frame-integrated 36-volt battery, which only needs 2.5 hours to charge to maximum capacity. Carbon is an e-bike unlike any we've seen, and it comes in 4 different models. Every model has oversized tires to help you grip the pavement or gain traction on even the roughest terrain. The factory is the standard model and offers a 48-volt battery in your choice of a 250, 500, or 750-watt motor. The limited edition model is an extension of the factory and has handmade leather seats, as well as new handlebars. And there are only 130 available for purchase, so nab one quick. The Mometica takes the factory design and then adds a beautiful handmade painting from your choice of 3 different patterns. And of course, if you want a much more hands-on interaction with the building of your bike and to customize nearly every aspect of it, then you have to go with the Ultra. So, which bike strikes your fancy the most? Let us know in the comments. Civilized Cycles is a global team comprised of various talents in the industry. They say their mission is to make the most civilized bikes globally for the world. Through a lengthy design process that took many people worldwide to help build, Model 1 was created. The Model 1 is a deep step-through design that almost seems to be wearing a skirt of some sort. With the larger rear of the e-bike comes a second seat for a passenger. That skirt happens to be an integrated set of panniers for storing groceries, equipment, or anything else you may need for up to 50 pounds of storage. And whether the road you ride is made of dirt, littered with potholes, or any other less than ideal terrain, the Model 1 has you covered. This practical EV has automatic full suspension that will adjust to any hiccup on the road. The 750-watt motor is powered by a 10.5 amp-hour battery. If you pick up the optional secondary battery, the Model 1 has a more than apt range of 50 miles. Like most e-bikes, the speed will top out at 28 miles per hour, which is the average legal limit. If you want your own Model 1 from Civilized Cycles, they are selling for $4,500. Innovative e-bike manufacturer Urtopia has long had a strict emphasis on design. Based out of Hong Kong, Urtopia sought engineers and designers from around the world who had a proven track record of functional aesthetic creativity. These designers are MIT and Ivy League alumni, having worked for massive firms like Apple and BMW, just to name a few. One such designer was Mathis Heller, who'd recently completed work on the BMW i-Series and Siemens ICE 3 high-speed train. He helped design the Urtopia Carbon e-bike, a sport, intelligent electric bike fashioned out of the same carbon fiber used in road cycles. The frame, fork, handlebars, seat post, even the chain belt is all made from carbon fiber, for a total weight of just over 30 pounds. Despite this, the Urtopia is built for urban exploring. Puncture-resistant Kenda Quest tires and front and rear dual-piston hydraulic disc brakes mean riders have both control and reliability. Powering the Urtopia is a removable 360 watt-hour Samsung lithium-ion battery, capable of taking you to a pedal-assisted maximum range of 80 miles. Using their patented quick charger, you can top yourself up from empty to full in 2.5 hours. Urtopia says its batteries will recharge 1,000 times before reducing to 80% capacity. Torque comes via a 36-volt rear hub motor and a carbon drive belt guaranteed for up to 18,640 miles. No traditional chain means no grease, no chinks, no mess, and definitely no time-consuming chain repairs. Riders can choose up to 5 different speed and pedal assist modes. The first is pedal, with no motor support. Eco mode uses minimal pedal assist, designed for those that need to conserve battery and who don't mind a little exercise. Then there's the comfort mode that utilizes an integrated torque sensor to anticipate when pedal assist will be required. It prevents that jerky resistance when going from flat surfaces to inclines at speed. Sport mode relies less on how much you can pedal, while turbo mode pushes the Urtopia Carbon e-bike to full speed. If you're in the US, the Urtopia Carbon e-bike can reach speeds of 20 miles per hour. Still, regulations require software limiting e-bikes in Europe and Asia to 16 miles per hour. If you enjoyed this video, you could help us out by hitting the like button, subscribe, and keep up to date on future posts.